Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside WordPress admin, log in and navigate to pages immediately. Once there, open the page where you want posts to appear and make sure Gutenberg is active, or install a block plugin if needed. You should already have at least one post drafted and a featured image selected, because you will insert content quickly. Next, add a new block or shortcode area. This is the first actionable step that lets you pull post content into a page. Now add a query loop or latest posts block to the page. This is where you control which posts appear. Once added, choose Layout, List, Grid, or Excerpt, and set the number of items and excerpt length to match your design. Make sure to filter by category, tag, or custom taxonomy if you only want specific posts. Then preview the block, adjust image sizes, alignment, and read more links so visitors see clear summaries and can open full posts. Finish by saving and publishing or updating the page, then test each post link in a private window to confirm behavior. Once done, clear any site and server caches if new posts don't appear immediately, because caching often delays updates. If posts still fail to show or display incorrectly, make sure user permissions allow viewing, disable recent plugins to isolate conflicts, and check the theme's compatibility with the query loop. This one troubleshooting tip, clear cache first, solves most update issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.